Hi everyone, I'm Gigi.
And I'm Jade.
And we're from Succulents Box, and today we're going to show you how to make a succulent arrangement. Okay.
Alright, so when I'm making a succulent arrangement, just use your creativity. It's an awesome way to just use different mediums and kind of find a way to work with them. And succulent arrangements are really awesome. They can be great gifts because they last way longer than flowers. So I kind of like to give it a little bit of depth and kind of work spinning. Give it. Here's my scooper here.
Oh yeah.
So we have Violet Queen right here. And all these succulents can work together, so be watered probably about once every 2 weeks, depending. Oh, and succulents don't really need a lot of dirt on their roots. So feel free, you don't need to keep them in the plastic. You can kind of mush them up, get their roots exposed, and then stick them on in there. Alright, and this is a really good tool we have here. So, and it's kind of to poke in the dirt a little bit, go around the edges, make sure everything's packed nice and neatly. The soil here, add a little bit of soil around the edges.
It looks so pretty.
We also have this little brush here. Kind of dust off your succulents at the end, take some of the dirt off, dead stems. There we go. I'm gonna put one more right in the back here so it's not so bare. Bit of dirt.
And here we have Jade's beautiful arrangement. String of buttons and kiwi, Lola, string of dolphins. It's so pretty.
Thank you. Thanks for watching again. Yeah, succulents are a great way. There's so many different colors, shapes, and sizes you can work with. There's so many options when it comes to making succulent arrangements. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.